Good morning. I didn't upload a video with navigation yesterday, so I will quickly show you how to engage without using the Getting Started page, which is currently our landing page. When you look at the sidebars, we do have the announcements, syllabus, and information, a place where you can send email to me or to classmates, our landing page, Getting Started, our discussion board, and also the course content and modules. You can always just go directly through course content and modules to pick up where you left off so that you can continue your work. So these modules are the 5 modules for this week. And yesterday, I asked you simply to watch this video and take a quiz. Of course, you do need to use Spartan GreenSky sometimes to connect to Digital Campus to see the videos. And even if you're not using Spartan GreenSky, it can take a long time. You can try it with or without Spartan GreenSky, but that is the way that I need to have you connect to watch films in this particular resource. So that was yesterday. And what I did was I clicked on the next topic, African American Studies today. Now, the paper topic for today is not necessarily new work because it is the explanation of the sequence that you will use to write your first paper. And that first paper is not due until next week. However, like I said, you have a sequence of assignments to do to complete the paper. And I would like you to start doing those now. So the first thing to do in writing a paper about the importance of African American studies is to choose 3 points from this video and submit them to me. And right here is where you can submit them. And here is a sample of how you might want to add an image of the timestamp if you want to, and my explanation of this particular point. The next item is the document version of the paper map. And your actual paper will come out to be about 500 to 600 words. However, I am not obsessed with word count. Keep that in mind. But you will notice that the directions are 1,200 words. And I say in the video that most people don't enjoy seeing this extensive list of directions, but it can also be a shortcut because it does tell you lots of the ideas from the video. And there are also examples of how I might go about writing the paper following a particular pattern of thought. And then the last item is another video. It is 10 minutes and it does have an extra credit quiz. So again, because this is Nomia TechSmith Relay, you probably will have to log into Spartan GreenSky. But as you do this quiz, it stops so that you can answer questions. Hey, if you're anything like me, you will not want to read 4 pages of directions about how to do the paper. So I am going to go over it and read it. Okay, so it stops when there's a quiz question about what you just heard. And I don't think anybody wants to read that many directions. So you just answer and continue, and it will stop again with the next question. So this is our map for paper 1, and there are 3 really important steps in the process. Okay, so I don't like talking over myself. I will add to next week's modules the remainder of the steps for the assignment, the other things that you will have to submit. And I will very soon make a printable checklist of all of the assignments and when they are due. But I need to plug everything into Blackboard first, and that's pretty time consuming. So, quick recap, go to course content modules. These are our first 5 modules for this week. And next week, you click on this folder, and it has folders for each day with whatever needs to be done for that particular day. I'm curious to find out whether you prefer to have the days marked with the date or whether you just like to have the topics so you can move through them at your best pace. I will send out a survey sometime next week to find out how all this works for you. Have a great weekend.